I would just go around to everybody, look at my hair, you know, it was like crazy. It was life-changing. My name is Jitesh. I like to play lots of sports. I first dealt with hair loss probably 9 years ago. I was in university, and then at that time, within the span of like 4 to 6 months, I noticed I was losing like a lot of hair. So I obviously went to the doctor, you know, dermatologist, and they explained to you, oh, you might have male pattern baldness or whatever they say, right? And then you have your options, you Google it, they'll be like, oh, get Rogaine, try all these options. What led me to get a hair system was that I've seen a couple of my friends have it, and then that confirmed it for me, like the maintenance, doing things, you know, just the difference from before and after from seeing it amongst my friends. Like you can see it online, but then you see it in person with somebody and you're just like, huge game changer. The first time you come in, you don't know what to expect, right? You don't know how much it's gonna change your life. Well, right away, my family and friends, when I came back, they noticed huge difference. Everybody else, honestly, all my friends, they don't even remember what I looked like before. They're all like, we're so used to you looking at you this way. This is you now. We don't remember the old you. I've been wearing Superhairpieces systems for like 2.5 years now. I find they're like some of the best qualities, the highest qualities you can get. And I've been to other people and other places and salons, but then when I came here, the prices were great, the staff was awesome, and it was just like the experience was amazing. If you're experiencing like, you know, baldness and all this issues going on with you, I think for you, my advice will be just try it out, at least come in and, you know, hear out what they can do for you, what solutions they present. Obviously, ultimately, it's your choice, but definitely and highly recommend getting a hair system. It's going to change your life. Wearing hair system has definitely changed my life, and in that I feel way more confident when I'm going out, especially like any events, any parties, anything like that. You know, even though you probably didn't think much of it before, now when I see the difference from before to now, and me wearing a system, it's just really amazing. And you know, oftentimes you get lots of compliments when you get like brand new system because your hair looks spectacular. I even had people at work tell me like the first day after I got a new system, they're like, oh my God, you have perfect hair, which is like the best thing to ever hear, right?